Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable headphone notifications on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just click on settings. Then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on audio and visual here, just click on it. So then you just click here on background sound. Sorry, we'll go back. You go down here, you come here to headphone notifications, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us has been headphone notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.